Welcome to this comprehensive overview of the Copay wallet. In this video, we'll dive into everything you need to know about this versatile cryptocurrency wallet. Copay is a highly secure and open-source wallet that allows users to manage their crypto assets with ease. With support for Bitcoin and various other assets, it's trusted by crypto enthusiasts worldwide for both personal and business use. Once you access the website, you'll notice the sleek and straightforward interface. Copay is designed to simplify crypto transactions while ensuring top-notch security. Begin by downloading the app or accessing the platform on your browser. Setting up an account is easy. Simply create a new wallet by following the prompts to set a strong password. Copay also allows for multiple wallets within the same account, perfect for organizing personal and business transactions separately. Security is one of Copay's key strengths. It provides robust multi-signature support, ensuring no transaction can occur without the required approvals. This feature is ideal for business users who need enhanced control over joint funds. All private keys are stored securely on your device, meaning only you have access to your funds. You could also enable two-factor authentication for an added layer of protection. Another notable feature is its integration with the Bitcoin payment protocol, which makes it easier and more reliable to complete transactions. This ensures your transactions are always accurate and secure, reducing errors and making the process seamless. Additionally, Copay supports test-app wallets for developers looking to experiment in a risk-free environment. Navigating the platform is a breeze. To send funds, choose the appropriate wallet, enter the recipient's address or scan their QR code, input the amount, and confirm the transaction. Receiving funds is equally simple. Share your wallet address or display your QR code to the sender. Copay also supports real-time exchange rates and fee adjustment, giving you control over transaction costs. AD integration. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Copay stands out for its collaborative capabilities. Share wallets with others by inviting them via email. This feature, combined with multi-signature support, makes Copay a top choice for managing shared funds. Moreover, its open-source nature means developers can contribute to and audit the software, ensuring transparency and security. Sign up now using the link in the description to unlock a bonus and start your journey with Copay Wallet today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more insightful crypto content, and hit the notification bell to stay updated.